Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft runtime environment problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do, just first go to background apps. Now turn off the first option and that's it. Make sure to turn off all those applications and then go back and click here and then go to apps and features, and now type here Minecraft launcher and make sure to select this one, second launcher at 3 megabytes. Click on it and then click on install and uninstall it. And that's it. Now go back and install it again. Now click you can enable this one if you want. That's it. Now just launch it and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.